Crystallization is the process in which the pure crystals of a substance will be obtained from its solution. Now, you all have read in your 6th class about evaporation, and in evaporation what we do is we just allow water of the sea or saline water to lie in the salt pans, and then it will slowly evaporate because of the solar energy, and ultimately we will be left with certain solids because solids cannot evaporate. So what will be there? We will get some impure salt there. Now that impure salt is required to be purified later, and that can be used as salt. Same way, when we are taking out crystals, now they will not have any fixed shape. When you are cooling something, like you are allowing that water only, saline water only to cool, then you will notice that there will be very different shapes of the solids form. Same way, crystallization process also is basically a process in which we will get the crystals of a substance from its solution form, and solution should also be saturated. Now saturated solution also you have read in your 6th class. Saturated solution means when no more of a solute can be added to a solvent at a given temperature. Understood? Means you are not having ability to add more of the solute. Like you want to add sugar to water, 1 glass of water you have taken, you have already added 3 spoons of sugar, you want to add the 4th spoon of sugar to it, it is not possible for you to add. Means now that solution has attained its saturation point. It will not allow more sugar to add until you will not raise the temperature of water. So same way, when you are getting saturated solution of copper sulfate and let it cool, after some time if you cool, then you will notice there will be crystals formed, and those crystals can later be taken out and used wherever it is required. For this, you need to prepare a saturated solution of copper sulfate. We have already shown you with the help of activity. So these are the blue color, it is in the powder form, in blue color powder form. Then we'll just dissolve in water, it will be a blue colored solution. Then we will just allow it to heat, and it will be until it remains 1/3. Then we will let it cool, and when it will cool properly, then you will notice there will be very shiny large size crystals form. So that process is called as crystallization. Copper sulfate earlier was also same. Later we have just given a different shape to it. There is no change in property of copper sulfate. So we will not consider it as a chemical change. It will be a physical change only. So keep in mind, never write crystallization as a chemical change. It is a physical change.